To set up a camera while in floor plan, ensure that you're in the correct level, whether it be building, floor level, or room level. After that, go to the floor plan mode by selecting floor plan, and as you can see in the bottom right, you can see a green camera position option. Select this button and you will then open a thumbnail image of the current view, as well as on the right side you can see a toggle for setting the height and the angle, with the edge saying the height of the camera and the angle depicting the upward or downward tilt of the camera. Zooming in, I can now see that this camera is what is going to determine the camera position. To move the camera forwards or backwards, just select on the middle part of the video camera and just drag it. And you can see that in turn, thumbnail image changes in view, zooming in and out depending on how I am dragging the camera. You can also see a line of sight emitted from this camera icon. In order to rotate this line of sight to point it towards the face that you desire, select the rotate toggle on the camera, hold and drag in order to rotate it. Now you can see it is pointing straight towards the north. In this manner, you can keep dragging the camera back and forth. To adjust the eye level of this camera, as you can see, in the bottom right, it is currently set to 3000 mm above the ground level. Normally, one would want to keep the camera height at eye level at a range of 1500 to 1800. Type in the desired value into the edge field and then drag the camera further back to see a greater view of this. You can also see that in this thumbnail, the vertical lines are skewed. This is because the angle depicted here is more than 0 or less than 0. To make the vertical line straight, type in 0 into the angle field and press enter. In this manner, you can actually see the outside of the building simply by setting up your camera. To drag it inside, simply drag in the camera to get an inside view. And now you can see that in the thumbnail, you will be able to get an inside view of the same. In order to get a full screen version of this thumbnail view, you can select 3D now and you will be getting the same thumbnail view but in full screen mode, so you can get a better look of what your view looks like. To save this particular view, select the plus icon in the free view bar and click on the settings icon and select lock camera. Now, even if you go to free view and go to 3D and adjust your view in any way that you like, you will know that by selecting back view 2, you will return to your original set camera position. Go back to floor plan and here you will return back to your camera position to adjust it further. From here, you can then select fire render, and this is the view that you will be getting as shown in the thumbnail to render.